fams, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing good wherever you're watching me from. If you are coming across this channel for the first time, this is Grace Adelego, a mom of 3 based in the United States. Guys, oh my god, I need to show you this gigantic fish. Like, I've never seen this kind of big fish like this before. My husband just called me and said, oh, I bought a fish for you for content, and I'm like, wow. We wanted to fix one. Farms, I couldn't carry you along because the baby was crying, so I washed the fish with lemon and salt, as you can see. Yeah, quick one. Yeah, my husband bought a very big fish for me, and he was like, I bought a content for you. Oh my god, it's so funny, guys. So just to carry you guys along the fish, and I thought to make a dry fish from the catfish. I'm going to oven dry it like a Nigeria catfish, just to carry you guys along. I just finished washing it now. Yeah, so the fish is been inside the fridge for days now. I just had the time, so it's really big. This is the biggest fish I've ever seen. Yeah, so I'm going to cut it up now. Yeah, my battery is low, so I'll show you the next step. I already have my oven rack. Yeah, baby is helping to cut it. Yeah, so I hope you are enjoying our Vlogmas. Thank you for clicking on Vlogmas day 3. Thank you so much to all my returning subscribers. Thank you for coming back again, and to the new subscribers, thank you for joining this beautiful family. Turn on your notification bell for more of our video. And thing is to salt the fish, so I added salt and leave it into this water for 10 minutes before I removed it. Yeah, just for it to have the taste. After that, I set it in my oven for 3 hours. The first 60 seconds, you're going to see the outcome in the next slide. As you can see, it wasn't really dry like that. You guys know the fish was so massive. Yeah, so it took longer time to dry. I think if the fish is smaller, it will dry on time. So I did it for 3 hours, like I said, before I got the perfect result. It was really good, and I enjoy doing this. Yeah, so I also want to add, if you are living in Manchester, New Hampshire, you want this kind of fish, you can get it in Asian market. And living in other states, you can try your African store or Asian markets if they sell the catfish. I really enjoy doing this, and I thought to share with you also. Yeah, let me know in the comment section if you have tried a dry fish from home before. How was the outcome? Mine came out perfectly, although it took longer time and it wasted my gas. Let me say that, but it's worth it because I've not finished eating this fish, guys. It's going to last for a very long time because I'm eating it small. I don't want to waste it. Instead of us to feast on it for a day, I decided to just do it like this, to be a virtuous and a prudent woman in this kind of economy. So that's it, guys. It was really good. Yeah, let me know, like I said, in the comment section if you have done this before. And thank you for watching this Vlogmas day 3, and I hope you're enjoying our vlog. Give this video a massive thumbs up and subscribe if you love what to see. Bye bye.
You are on to Grace Adelego TV.